Hello everyone, my name is Dale Torgerson. I'm a solution architect with Harbinger Consulting Group in Minneapolis, Minnesota. I want to show you a little demonstration of project financial planning in Oracle Planning Release 11.123. Project financial planning is one of the optional modules that's available to planning users. If you enable project financial planning, you'll notice right away that it's different from the others like CapEx and Workforce by themselves, because this is a combined application. You're going to get a set of processes for project as well as CapEx and Workforce planning. The CapEx and Workforce planning that you enable is essentially the same as you would get if you got CapEx and Workforce by themselves. There are a few minor differences. It creates not only these three plan types, but all the dimensions associated with those plan types, and two dimensions specifically for projects, project element and projects. And the project dimension is enabled all in the project plan type, the CapEx plan type, and the workforce planning plan type. So you can use it for capital planning, and you can even plan a head count by project. There are a bunch of new artifacts created, including the account hierarchies, web forms, menus, smart lists, business rules that you're used to seeing in the other versions. This one was released in 11.122. I want to give you a little demo of how that looks. Here's an application running in a demo environment. You see in the forms area, you've got a group of project forms, but you've also got capital, workforce, and application administration forms designed to support the administration process of all three of those. You've got task lists, again organized by capital, project, etc., financial analysis that allows you to track status as well as help new users walk through the process. If we look at the dimension library, you can see that not only do we have the asset class and asset detail that are associated with CapEx, employee and job associated with workforce planning, but you also have the project element and project detail dimensions that are available. If you look over here at the plan types, you can see that I have created an income statement and a balance sheet in my three custom plan types, but I also have workforce, CapEx, and project all enabled for a grand total of as many as 6. In this case, I only have 5 enabled, but you see the potential for 6. If we go over to the Calc Manager, you'll see that I have a whole series of business rules available for the project process, but also workforce, CapEx, as well as balance sheet and income statement. As you can see, this is a completely different approach than workforce and CapEx by themselves. It's designed to be a unified corporate financial and project planning process in a single application. The approval process for projects is closely tied to approvals for financial planning and forecasts. The whole idea is to have an agreement or a synthesis between the project side and the financial side, so you're linking project planning with financial planning in the balance sheet and income statement. So there's a tremendous potential here for this process. The whole idea is to align those plans together. Let me just talk for a few seconds about some of the features that are available in this that are quite new. There's earned value management analysis. There's what-if versioning built in. There are predefined reports in the financial reporting tool that are available. There's revenue planning options based on contract type. Metadata and data load templates. That's something new. There's a scenario and version predefined variance formulas that are built in. There's intercompany reconciliation that's built in, a project approval tracking, and project scoring, and a bunch of other features too numerous to mention in a short video. In conclusion, I want to mention a few things about Harbinger Consulting. Harbinger Consulting is a certified Oracle Gold Partner. We also are an approved education center. We have a facility in Phoenix and a facility in St. Louis Park, Minnesota, in the Minneapolis area. And we also provide support and development processes to our clients. If you're interested in getting more information, you can check our website at harbinger-group.com. You can call the number on the screen. There's my personal contact information if you have any questions. Thanks so much for listening today.